In this video, you'll learn how to automate digital product sales on Stan Store. By the end of this guide, you will have set up product automation, including payment processing and delivery options, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. Begin by navigating to the My Store section of your Stan Store dashboard. Here, you will find an option labeled Plus Add Product. Click on this button to proceed with adding your digital product. After you click, a new window will open prompting you to select the type of product you want to add. Choose digital product from the available options. Once you select this, you will be required to upload the digital file that customers will receive upon purchase. Ensure that your file is ready and meets any size limitations that may apply. Larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After the file uploads successfully, you will be prompted to set a price for your product. Enter the desired price in the designated field. After setting the price, look for an option labeled Automatic Delivery After Payment. You need to turn this option on to ensure that your customers receive their product automatically upon completing their purchase. This step is crucial for maintaining a smooth transaction process. Next, navigate to the Account Settings section in the dashboard. Within this area, you will find a tab labeled Payments. Click on this tab to connect your payment processor. You will have the option to integrate either Stripe or PayPal. Select your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to connect your account. This connection is necessary for processing transactions securely. For those interested in enhancing customer engagement, consider integrating an email follow-up system. You can use services like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Zapier to automate sending a download link or offer upsells after a purchase. This can be set up in the integrations section of your dashboard, where you can follow the instructions specific to your chosen service. Finally, it is essential to test the entire process. Perform a test purchase to ensure that the automation works correctly. This includes checking that the payment is processed and that the digital product is delivered automatically. Take note of any delays or issues that arise during this test phase, as they may indicate areas needing adjustment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.